I give up. Nothing I say is relevant. I'm fine. Plan a route, the Lani triangulation. This triangle over here is very small. Can I really do anything? Walkable. We need to consider factors beyond purely spatial aspects. So let's do that. Okay, so let's take a look at this region over here. When we go to Google Maps, and we'll switch this over to satellite data. Satellite data, by the way, is an amazing resource. Not just from Google Maps. Google Maps does a great job for being a consumer level tool. Being able to do any of that is great. But actually pulling Landsat data and manipulating that that's really something I should talk about it sometimes. Anyways, yeah, kind of as I've suspected, this boundary point in between Mei and Nara and Osaka is mountain. I can't walk through that. I'm pretty sure Japan has bears. Like, I'll actually die. So, again, while spatially this might seem like a viable solution, mountain, no, not happening. And let's return back to this solution. So, I'm thinking the first move is, I'm trying to think where we want to start. We could start kind of in the south, ended up in the north, or go in the north, ended up in the south. We start in the north and walk our way down. I feel like that's a better journey than going from Tokyo kind of into the, I don't want to say nowhere land. Where is this? Is that Gunma Prefecture? Yeah, so this is kind of my starting point. I kind of want to use landmarks. Landmark wise, local government office. That seems a better place than any to start a journey, to be honest. Maybe I'll just start a path. And we're gonna walk this. Okay, so we go from this government office. I guess we're gonna walk into and then out of. I mean, this isn't a graph theory question. I can walk out of Gunma and then back in. You know what? Maybe I should start in Tochigi, because from the looks of it, this kind of river crossing area is not going to be easy to navigate. So let's start in Tochigi. Children Plaza. I do not want to start a journey somewhere called Children Plaza. Also, this whole area looks like, what is this? It's just like a giant park. Looks like a farmland. It looks like a golf club. It is a country club. Okay, that's a park. Oh, looks kind of nice actually. Sorry, I'm getting really distracted. That's an owl. That's a bird. That's a tree. Okay. I'll go from here to that government office. Alright, got the first leg of our journey. Okay, this is gonna take us from Tochigi into Gunma. And from Gunma, we're gonna walk through Saitama into Chiba to add another destination. Koga City Hall. Sure. Okay, so at this point, we should have walked through Tochigi, Gunma, Saitama, and Chiba. That's not Chiba. Ibaraki. Okay, so that's 4, and that's 2 hours of walking. Now, this is kind of the hard part. We're gonna have to walk all the way down until we meet Chiba. Pretty reasonable if you ask me. Oh my god, there's a castle over here. Of course I'm gonna go look at that. Oh, I moved it. I got too excited. You can't see it right now, but I'm tearing up. Oh man. Okay, sorry. Castle time. There we go. Okay, so that's 5 hours. Easy. Look at that, 25 kilometers compared to the 25 kilometers I would have spent walking through the mountains. I can walk through this beautiful, what kind of looks like suburban landscape. But like Japanese suburban landscape, like mixed zoning landscape kind of feel. I get it. God, I get it. What is this giant dip here? That scares me. Is that just the river? I have to walk through the river? It's below sea level. It's so incredible. What is that? Anyway, We need to make a big decision here. There is a path that is shorter that takes me to Tokyo, and then I can complete my journey. I'll have 6 prefectures on my record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternatively, I could deviate from the short path and head towards Yokohama, but that also means that I have to take a longer trek to get into Tokyo. And on the off chance that I, for some reason, don't make it into Tokyo, it's kind of a higher risk, higher reward, because I get an extra prefecture on my list, but I also have to walk the long route through Saitama to get to Tokyo. So the fast route into Japan, okay, so that's 12 hours. 12 hours is doable, all right? If I start at like midnight, start walking, and then like find a hotel and take a 6-hour nap, and then walk, and then, you know, like take a break. Like I could do it. I'm not gonna be walking for 24 hours. And the high risk reward thing, if instead I kind of take the cheeky path to get into Yokohama early, then this whole track is 18 hours. That leaves me like 6 hours to sleep. I will die, probably. But I get to put 7 prefectures on my list. I guess we could also ask the question, if we take the natural path in, and then just consider this a bonus. See, and that's 15 hours to the 12 hours, an extra 3 hours. And then if I still have the energy to do it, I do an extra, what was the other one? Yokohama. It's not Yokohama Prefecture, it's Kanagawa Prefecture. 18. Okay, so that's 18. That's 18. It's 18. That's the whole thing. And that whole thing is 7 prefectures one day. Like, this seems like the perfect path. When you look at this, like this entire path, I've kind of hit the sweet spot. You know, like this is all walkable and I think probably generally safe. And it kind of leads up to Tokyo. I mean, what better way to explore Japan? You go on a long journey and you walk into Tokyo. Like, so yeah, I think that'll be the path. Here's the answer. All right, I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up when I actually do it. There it is. We did the methodology, analysis, interpretation. We're here. We made it. Take care. Have a good day. Nailed it. Nailed the ending.